Hello guys, my name is Amritajan and welcome back to my channel Pets Care 101. And guys, today topic is DIY aquarium light. So guys, why DIY aquarium light? Because it's easy to make, it's cost efficient, and it's the most and the very important thing, guys. It serves your purpose. So guys, what you gonna need for making a DIY aquarium light? So guys, you just need 2-3 things. So I tell you. So guys, you need a normal, guys. This is a normal LED bulb, and guys, you need this kind of setup. So this is a holder attached with the plug. So guys, you need this and you need this. So guys, the first, make sure you have to remove this cap using any hammer. So I just remove this before use a hammer. So guys, you have to use a hammer to remove this. And guys, you cannot use any LED bulb. You have to make sure you are using a 9000 or at least 8 to 9000 Kelvin LED bulb, because it's the dynamic range of this bulb is very high. If you're using a 9000 Kelvin bulb, so you get good result. So make sure you're using a 9000 to 8000 Kelvin bulb, not less than that. So it's not serve purpose. So guys, and guys, the most important thing, you can use this light in any of your aquarium, in monster tank, in planted tank, or even in marine tank. It serves the purpose because the dynamic range of this light is very good. So you're not gonna get any problem. You can easily grow your plants, delicate plants and hardy to hardy plants with this light, because this is a very good light. I'm using this light from last couple of months or maybe year, but now I switched to this. I mentioned in the video. So guys, I show you my setup, how I gonna make this light. So guys, let's start without any further ado. So guys, let's start. So guys, this is my tank, and so guys, for this setup, for this kind of setup, you're gonna need a glass vessels, and you're gonna need, guys, this bulb, DIY, for making DIY cheap aquarium light. So guys, what you have to do is you're gonna take a glass vessel. So guys, the length of this glass vessel is almost 50 inch, and the width of this glass vessel is almost, guys, 5 to 6 inch. This is a 5 mm glass, and my aquarium is, guys, 48 inches long. So I use 50 inch long glass vessels to make a DIY aquarium light. So what you gonna do is just take the, so guys, what you wanna do, just you just need light, and you just hold and rack it up like this and connect to the power socket, and guys, it serves your purpose. So but guys, I suggest you can use also this, but I'm using this from last 2-3 months, and this is a very good light, more efficient, and this is the more power saving light. So I'm using that. This is a normal tube. This is a 3 feet long tube. I'm using this from couple of months, and I'm getting a good results. And guys, this is a little aquaponic setups. If you want to make this setup, you can watch my how to do this, and you can watch my video, aquaponics video.